Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's find a video that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this video over here. You want to click on the three dots over here, right? And then I want you to copy the link over here. Link, copy it on the clipboard. Then I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called snapinsta.app. Okay, you want to click on snapinsta.app and you want to paste the link that we just copied, right? Then you want to hit download. As you can see, the app processed very fast in comparison with other apps we've been using. As you can see over here, if you scroll down, this is what you're going to get. Be careful where you're clicking. As you can see, there are some advertisements that look like download button. Okay, be very careful and really follow the margin of the actual layout of the app. Don't click on other buttons. This is how you can download videos from Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.